Good morning, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. I hope your Thanksgiving was great. I hope you guys got to enjoy every part of it. I hope your families are all in good health. Today I'm in the garage solo, but I'm going to get a lot done. I got my boy Vic coming up from Connecticut. That's my coffee. I got my boy coming up from Connecticut to bring me that K24 CRV post mount. So I'm going to try to get this motor in today. I also might have come over my boy Pitbull. He's going to also come in and install the quarter glasses that we picked up from Jersey. So we'll get that out of the way, and then come Monday, we're supposed to get a big snow blizzard, either this weekend or Monday, coming into Monday. But I'll definitely be here. I'll be wrenching away, and let's enjoy this vlog, man. I appreciate all of you for subscribing. I appreciate the comments, and I'm gonna start introducing this thing that I found on this kid show, to where like we pause the video for like 5 seconds and then we make you like and subscribe. So I want to see if that works. I'm just trying to create, man, and at the same time just take a little gems from other YouTubers. So yeah, without further ado, man, let's start this vlog. Hopefully we learn some stuff, and we're almost at 20K. I'm gonna give that manifold away for free. I love you guys, man. Let's go. Keep gunning.
It's the producer.
Alright guys, I wanted to share this little piece with you from K-Tune, that you'll be able to adapt different oil ports through this. So basically different slots for getting oil, you know what I mean, and feeding oil. So I am going to reinstall the oil pressure switch because I have such a nice clean harness. I didn't want to have that one wire hanging, and also as a safety feature, the oil pressure switch will help us know if we're low on oil. So this K-Tune multi-port, basically 1/8 MPT, comes with a bunch of sources for oil, and a bunch of basically ports for oil. So I just dabbed a little bit of silicone on this O-ring, which is crucial. Oh, got it. So there it is, just to hold it in place. I'm figuring out this focus thing. This surface is clean already, so I am just going to thread, actually I'm moving a little too fast. I'm going to put some thread tape on this end. Bear with me. Just a little touch. Never hurt no one. Just so we don't have any oil leaks. And that's that. So from there, our O-ring is in place. We thread it on. Now when we thread this guy on as much as we could, I wonder if this is 7/8 also. Okay, so this is 7/8. So I'm going to put this until it stops, and I'm going to lock it with this guy here. So now we'll be able to install our oil pressure switch and our oil feed line all on this fitting. So it's basically like a union, like an adapter. You know, K-Tune makes a lot of products that are awesome. You just have to know how to use them. A lot of people complain about their stuff, but honestly, man, as long as you know how to use them, you'll be in good shape. So I'll push this guy here. Remember, my O-ring is behind it. Okay? So there, and now I'll just tighten this back end. Look at that, nice and easy. Just make sure it's flush. Turning more, and we just adjust here. I think I like that. To me, that's safe. I'll just give it one more turn to be on the safe side. That's it. So there, that's installed, correct? Now I can actually turn this, because I want this port facing this way. I'm going to change this oil line kit also. A couple of gunners suggested some good ideas, some good suggestions, and go with the -4. but I'll use this for reference for now. So I have this pretty much straight. Now I just install this over here on the back end. Bear with me. Okay, so as for reference, now I have my oil feed line here. I'll show you guys from another angle. I have my oil feed coming from there, and I'll Teflon this oil pressure switch, and I'll put it right here. So now when I run my harness, I can either put it here or I can put it on this port, maybe have it look a little nicer. I really don't like how things come out a little too far over here, pause. So maybe I might twist this a little bit more and put it right here in this port. But I wanted to share this cool adapter. It was actually in the box that came when I bought Lefty. So awesome piece, man. Check it out. Oh, and guys, if you're wondering, like, hey Aki, then how do we block off these other ports? It comes with the provided 1/8 MPT block offs. It comes with 2 of them. Let's see. I thought it was supposed to work. There it is. Okay, it comes with 1/8 MPTs, and it also comes with thread tape. Sorry about the fan noise from the heater. Finally got the post mount. Big shout out to my boy Vic up in CT. Drove all the way down from Bridgeport, man, and dropped it off. I scuffed it. I'm gonna get it ready for primer now, and I'm just gonna spray it a simple, you know, semi-gloss black. But we're finally here. We're about to put this motor in, and we're getting the job done today. Got first coat of primer on. Got the heater on to keep it, you know, dry up real nice. I actually warmed it up a little bit with a heat gun, so it could absorb. Paint loves heat. It'll stick better. And we got to break in the third man. But yeah, that's 1 coat. 2 more coats of primer, 3 coats of black, and we'll be done. First coat of black, coming out nice already, man. That heat really helps when you guys are painting, man. Always remember that heat really, really helps. So I just grabbed some lunch. I'll eat some lunch while the first stage dries up. But it's gonna look great. Not bad. Here we go, folks. How's that look? Not too shabby. So I got my motor mount ready. I'm going to set up the tripod here, and I'm going to put this motor in. Now, before I put this motor in, I want you to understand something. This is one of the first stands that Vane ever sent me. So I know that I'm going to have to help it with the jack because of the transfer case back here. Oops, went the wrong way. So I have to jack it from the front of the motor where the intake manifold is on the bottom, because it might touch right here. So here we go. Wish me luck. That's 1 motor mount. I'm done. It's so easy to use this Vane stand. Even with an all-wheel drive setup, all I had to do was basically jack up the front of it. This is one of the best innovations in racing. One of. It has to be. It makes life completely easy. Vane stands, thank you so much, man. Look at this. Motor swap in by myself. Take the stand off, and then you just simply unbolt the arms. And that's it. Put it back together. It's directional. It has letters A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D. That's it. Great product, man. Innovation. Okay, my brothers and sisters, I am done for today. I have some things to focus on, so it's going to be real hard to film while doing them. I've got to take a couple of measurements and stuff like that, and I just want to double check everything. So first off, I hand tightened everything, all the 3/4/19 bolts, all three on the transmission. I'm sorry, I'm all lost for words right now. Everything looks great. Check that out. How good does that look? Money. So yeah, I think Pitbull's on his way here. He's gonna install the quarter glasses. I'm gonna look around and see if there's any improvements that I need to make, anything to move around. But I definitely have to put the drive shaft on with the viscous coupler and start measuring on how much we need to cut from the back drive shaft. So we got a lot of work to do, but we're grinding. It's Friday. I'm probably going to work one more day tomorrow, maybe take Sunday off. I don't know. I probably will work Sunday. But I just wanted to drop this vlog for you guys. And the motor's in. I hope you picked up some gems. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep gunning.